Wow. Look at that. The tornadoes are like sharing the debris with each other. Wow, look at that. Wow, holy moly. Oh my. Oh, just noticed? This is literally 100 tornadoes. Yeah, that's right. 100 tornadoes. Wow, look at the debris being yeeted across. Okay, we still got all 100 tornadoes, but their funnel and the dust effect is gone. Like that. Wow, look at that. Insanity. Almost all the houses have everything wiped off of their foundation. The foundation is basically that stone thing below the house. Yeah, wow, look at that. I think combining all of this would be a total EF5. Yeah, insanity.